Good morning students, grade 9, welcome back to BBBN online classes. We were in chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Today we will be solving some questions of exercise 13.1. Okay, now question number 1. Question number 3 of your NCERT and today's question number 1. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meters. If the cost of painting the four walls means the lateral surface area, at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is given as rupees 15,000. We need to find the height of the hall. Okay, height of the hall. Now pay attention. We know that perimeter is 2 times L plus B. We know lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B. This perimeter is given as 250 meters. Cost of painting is rupees 10 per meter square. Right? So, according to the question, lateral surface area multiplied by the cost of painting per meter square will be equal to the total cost given. So 2h into L plus B multiplied by rupees 10 is given as rupees 15,000. Now we have certain values. 2 into L plus B is given as 250 meters. Substitute the value here. So h multiplied by 250 multiplied by 10 is equal to 15,000. We need h. H is equal to 15,000. Now 250 into 10 are going to the other side of equality. They will come in the division side. 250 into 10. 0 cancelled out with this 0. This 0 cancelled out with this 0. We are left with 150 divided by 25. How much? 6. What is it? Height. H. So height of the hall is equal to 6 meters. Hope you understood the solution. This is the solution for question number 3 of NCERT exercise 13.1. Okay? We'll discuss another question here. Okay, next question. Question number 7 of NCERT 13.1. You can go through the question in the NCERT textbook. I have just shortened the question. I have not changed any data. I have just shortened the language so that it could be here. A sweet seller requires 2 sizes of boxes. You must have visited a sweet shop, a sweet vendor. You must have seen. For smaller quantity of sweet, they have smaller boxes. For larger amount of sweets, they have larger boxes, different sizes. We are talking about a person who is having 2 different sizes. The bigger box of the dimension 25 cm cross 20 cm cross 5 cm. So you can take it as L, B and H. The smaller box dimensions are given as 15 cm cross 12 cm cross 5 cm. Now, for making the box, sweet box, you must have seen the flap, over flap. You see that at the side there is one extra layer of cardboard. So it says for the overlaps, 5% of total surface area is required extra. 5% of total surface area is required extra. Now cardboard costs rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. We have to find the total cost of 250 boxes of each size, of each type, right? So, total surface area of a cuboid, we know it is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. For larger box, it will be 2 times L into B, 25 into 20. 25 into 20. That is 500 plus B into H 20 into 5 that is 100 plus L into H 25 into 5 125. So this is 2 times 500 plus 100, 600 plus 125, 725. It is 1450 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the larger box. Let's talk about smaller box. 2 times L into B, 15 into 12 is 180 plus B into H, 12 into 5 is 60 plus L into H, 15 into 5, that is 75. This becomes twice. Let's add 180 plus 60 plus 75. 315. Twice 315 becomes 630 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the smaller box. Sorry. Now, how many boxes we need? We need 250 boxes. Okay? And 5% of total surface area is required extra for the overlap. So what will be the total area of the cardboard that we have used in making 250 such boxes of each type? Now listen, 5% extra means if we have 100 units of a particular quantity and we are taking 5% extra, it means we are consuming 105 units instead of 100 units. This is 5% extra. So we'll use this formula here. Okay. Now total area of cardboard used will be 1450 plus 630, one box of both the types. How many boxes? Into 250 boxes into 5% extra, that is 105 upon 100. Let's see where this calculation goes. 0, 8, 2080 into 250 into 105 upon 100. Now see, this 0 cancelled out with 0, this 0 cancelled out with this 0. We are left with 208 into 25 into 105. This is the area of the cardboard. We need the cost. I am rubbing this part. Pay attention. Cost of the cardboard. Okay, the cardboard costs rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. So this total area 208 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 105 divided by 1000 centimeter square multiplied by rupees 4. This will give us the total cost. Okay. Now see, 25 goes 40 times in 1000. Now 5 goes 8 times, 5 goes 21 times. Okay. 4 goes 2 times in 8. 2 goes 104 times in 208. Total cost is 104 multiplied by 21 equal to rupees 2184. This is the total cost of the cardboard that is required to make 250 boxes of each type. Understood? Hope you have understood both the questions. Based on the solution of these questions, you can attempt the questions of exercise 13.1. In case you have any doubt in any of the questions, you have my numbers. You can WhatsApp me the question or you can have your queries solved. Okay? Thank you.